Voices in the night, whispers of double light.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Yummy Brown of Yommycrochetlogy, and today's tutorial is this cute Valentine's gift ideas for your girlfriend or your besties. It's scrunchies and an earrings. So if you like my content that talks about crochets and how to style our crochet pieces, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So these are the things that we will be needing for this tutorial. First is we need a yarn. I have here an acrylic yarn, quite shiny, and it's beautiful red hooks, the 1.80mm hooks and 4.50mm hooks, and of course scissors. I have this fabulous scissors here, and elastic. My elastic is quite big because I have bushy thick hair, so that tiny puny little one will not work for me, so I have to secure my scrunchies within with a nice sturdy elastic. A few pearls, or if you prefer beads, you can also use that. So let's get started. I have here 2 strands of yarn, and first off is we will fold our elastic 3 times if you're using a big one, but if you're using normal one, so you can skip this step. And then secure your yarn by tying it to the elastic itself. And we will start our stitches by inserting our hook into the elastic. Like so. And then chain of 1. So the stitch that we will be using in this project is double crochet. So insert your hook, wrap your yarn around the hook, pull it through, wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through, wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through. So you have to make as many as possible double crochets to wrap your elastic. Okay, so as you can see here, I have to cover this massive thick elastic until the end. So do that and I will meet you at the end of this row. So I am here at the end of this row. So as you can see, if I stretch my elastic a little bit, you can see the elastic inside. Okay, so if that's the case, you have to add more double crochets, okay, to finally close your rows. And then slip stitch to the chain that you made in the first part of this row. So this is what our scrunchie looks like right now. It's really cute. I love the color. And then chain of 2 to proceed to the next row, and then we will work at the edges or the stitches at the top of your double crochets. So insert your hook into the next stitch and make a double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Okay, so basically saying increase into the next stitch. Again, repeat increase into the next stitch. So this is your second stitch. So 1 and 2. Again, increase into the third stitch, or 2 double crochet into the third stitch. One, 2, and 3. Again, on the 4th stitch, you have to make another increase. So that's your 4th stitch, or the 4th increased, and then the 5th increased, or the 5th stitch, you have to do an increase again. So you have 5 stitches with increased stitches, or 2 double crochets in each stitches. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 increase, except the chain 2 that you made at the beginning of your row. So once you're done your increase, grab your pearl and your tiny hook, which is 1.80. So you can actually choose what kind of tiny hooks you will use depending on the holes of your pearl or beads, and insert your beads to the hook and insert your hook to the yarn once you already secure the beads in the hooks, and pull that yarn slowly and surely inside the pearl. like so. Okay, so it's not gonna be easy at first, but you'll just have to be patient. And then go back to your 4.50mm hook, and in the next stitch do another increase. So 1 and 2. So increase means 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Okay, that's how it looks like now. You have a pearl. So again, in the stitch, next 4 stitches you have to do increase, okay, so, or 2 double crochets in each stitches until you have a couple of pearls in your scrunchies. And I'll meet you at the end of this row. So on the end of this row, I'll just finish it off with a few double crochets. And then slip stitch at the beginning of my row or at the top of my 2 chains. And then you can snip off that yarn and secure the yarn tail. This time I'm not gonna glue this yarn because it's made of acrylic, and I don't like the acrylic being glued because it's kind of like really stiff and hard. So I'll just twine, or I'll just bury them within the stitches. So this is our scrunchies now. It's really cute and easy to follow. This is easy and beginner friendly, and the result is amazingly beautiful. I have here the other one too, the pale pink, and it's also so cute. So this is the finished product, red for Valentines, and it's really cute with these nice pearls, and I love it. It really holds my hair quite well too. So I have here the finished product of one of the earrings. I have made one of the earrings ready, and then I will make the other one together with you guys. So I'm using a mercerized cotton yarn. This is 100% cotton yarn, and a pearl, and of course an earrings hook, and of course a scissors and a pliers and a fabric glue. This time we will be using a fabric glue. And now let's start our earrings. So make a slip knot however you're comfortable in making a slip knot or starting a slip knot. This is how I started my slip knot. Chain of 1, then remove the chain from the hook and insert your pearl into the hook. Insert the hook into the yarn and pull that yarn inside the pearl. Okay, the yarn should be inside the pearl. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slip stitch to the first chain you made before you insert the pearl. So slip stitch like so, and then another chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and insert your hook into the top of your pearl, okay, where you started the chain 4, the first chain 4, and make a slip stitch. So you should be able to see yarns around your pearl. And then insert your hook into the chain 4 itself, not into the stitches but into the chain 4, and make a single crochet. Then chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you see this 2 diagonal line, 1 and 2, that line at the bottom of your 5 chains, insert your hook there like so, okay, if you can see that. And then wrap your yarn and pull it through. You have to make a slip stitch, and there is your first picot. Okay, again, insert your hook into the chain itself, not to the stitches but to the chain 4 itself, and make a single crochet like so. On chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and at the bottom of your 5 chain there should be 2 lines, 1 and 2. You have to insert your hook there. That's the first line, and this is the second line, okay, and make a slip stitch. So you have to hold on to it quite well because it's very tiny, and sometimes the stitches just slip away from your fingers. Again, I'll show you. Insert your hook to the chain itself, not to the stitches, and make a single crochet. Okay, wrap your yarn and pull it through, and chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and at the bottom of your 5 chain there should be 2 lines, okay, 1 and 2. You have to insert your hook in there, this one and this one, okay, and make a slip stitch. Again, you have another 3 picots. So you have to make 4 picots in the side, 1 in the middle here, and another 4 in the side. So I'm already at my last picot, which is the 5th picot, and I'll just have to slip stitch and chain 5, and then find 2 lines at the bottom of your 5 chain, this one and this one. It should be easy because it's kind of like it's popping, you can see it straight away, and make a slip stitch, okay, and this time insert your hook into the first chain that you made in this round, okay, and make a long tail, okay, that one there you pull it up because we will use that for our hooks. And now grab your earrings hooks and your pliers, and you have to twist this circle at the bottom of your hooks to open it up, something like this, if you can see that. And then grab your unfinished little flower, and you have to use this yarn to insert your hooks in there, something like this, and grab the yarn down, tighten it, but not to the point that the hooks cannot move freely, just enough tightness that makes the hook looks natural when it comes dangling in your ear, and close that gap, okay. And now you can cut off that yarn, tighten it, secure it, and glue the tip. So we're done with our earrings. We already have 2 of these cute little earrings, and now we can flaunt it during Valentine's Day or gift it to our besties or girlfriends. So this is my set of scrunchies and earrings. It's so lovely. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and let me know if you end up making one for yourself or for your besties for this Valentine's. And don't forget to tag me. I would love to see all your works. So thank you, and hope to see you again sometime next week. Goodbye!